cooking. What a beautiful experience it is. And with the right cookware, it becomes even better. So, what exactly goes into making a great piece of cookware? Let us show you. We are Kitchen Essentials, an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, and we make all our cookware in this state-of-the-art plant spread over 6 acres in Palghar, just next to Mumbai. To bring you flawless cookware, the first thing we do is use the right raw material. The reason why our steel comes from Jindal Stainless Steel and Steel Authority of India, while our aluminium comes from Hindalco of the Aditya Birla Group. And it's not every day that you see this sheet of metal turning into a stunning pressure cooker. We do it with extreme precision, speed, and maintain the quality at the same time. This happens in close to 15 stages. Each process is carried out within appropriate factory conditions and under trained supervision. There's room only for expertise here. With sophisticated CNC machinery, we make our tools and dies in-house. And the tiniest of parts are made under the same roof, giving us complete control on the safety and quality of our products. Talk about small things making a big difference. The effort that goes into making a pressure cooker also goes into making stainless steel cookware. Right from ensuring the perfect shapes to molding the blanks into saucepans, fry pans, casseroles, Dutch ovens, stock pots and a wide range of cookware, attention to detail is provided at each step of the line. It takes hawk eyes to monitor it the way we do it. The discipline is followed for non-stick cookware too. We have spray painting booths, furnaces, assembly units and packaging units all placed together to maximize efficiency and minimize handling. Production planning control is implemented with full attention. It's just a little smartness brought into play. And for every piece of cookware made here, we make their tempered glass lids here too in a special automated plant. As a new endeavor, we've also started manufacturing jerry cans. The 3-layered cookware, which we call Ferstal, is made totally in-house. We ensure that each corner, each curve, every inch of it is crafted to perfection. Not just cookware, we also make our own cutlery. Simple ones and then the fancy ones too, with a full-blown laser etching machine at our disposal. And moving on from production to quality control. Professional QC teams work round the clock under strict supervision across many parameters to suit AQL standards. Many tests and checks later, the cookware is deemed fit to be shipped. Relentless passion for design and perfection is what our experienced owners and design heads bring to the table. And as for our workforce, we believe they are our biggest asset and we provide them only the best facilities. To make sure that we don't hurt the environment, we've now completed the maneuver into the revolution of solar energy. Besides heavily conserving energy, it helps us reduce our carbon footprint. In a rapidly evolving country like India, our emphasis on solar energy is being lauded far and wide. With a special effluent treatment plant and a sewage treatment plant, we keep ourselves committed to the zero discharge effluent policy. We've also implemented rainwater harvesting in our setup to build a water table for ourselves and our neighbors as well. Our intricate distribution network of CNF agents, stockists and super stockists are spread to the remotest of areas and in important strategic locations across the country. Our well-equipped fleet of delivery vehicles ferry our goods throughout India. And being in close vicinity of Mumbai, shipping to any domestic and international destination is as easy as sending the goods to the local market. Our facilities and products have been inspected, audited and marketed by Walmart, IKEA, Carrefour, TESCO, Metro Cash and Carry, Family Dollar, Big Lots, Kmart and Dollar General, and we were found to be at par with international standards. In a process filled with so much complexity, we strive to maintain a simple elegance that reflects in our cookware. The work done on each piece is a result of years of hard work backstage. So, this is what we work for: a smooth operation, a powerful leadership, a hard-working team, and a beautiful product every single day. So the next time you see fantastic food, we are sure you'll get reminded of fantastic cookware, only with Kitchen Essentials.